Meetings should start with great ideas, not 10 minutes of technical troubleshooting. When cameras won't connect, microphones mumble, or staff struggle to start a call, valuable time disappears. You've likely heard people talking about Microsoft Teams rooms, but you might still be wondering, what is it? Would it work for us? What gear do we actually need? You don't need to figure it all out on your own. At Cackle, we design custom Microsoft Teams room solutions around the exact experience you want, from small huddle spaces and everyday meeting rooms to executive boardrooms and multi-site offices. We handle everything: intelligent cameras, ceiling or tabletop microphones, commercial displays, wireless sharing, professional installation, and ongoing New Zealand-based support. The end result? A reliable, professional environment that's simple for anyone to use, giving you consistent quality across every room. Not sure where to begin? No problem. Visit our website to explore our Microsoft Teams room solutions, or drop us a message today to book a free, no-obligation consultation with one of our New Zealand specialists. Let's get your meetings running smoothly.